Hey my guys, what is going on with you guys today? I hope I meet you guys well right there where you are. Hope everything is going on with you guys. This is your boy BLE double S Tubeless. That's what it comes in case you don't know. Here's my name right here. Tubeless. That's what it call me. Tubeless. That's what it call me. This is my name right there. So guys, in this video I'm gonna stick to the end of this video. I'm gonna show you how you can get this big bonus worth $72,000. But because of this video, how to make 150 to $300 online designing website landing page. And you might be saying, guys, I don't even know what it's called landing page. How can I do this? I'm gonna show you where you can get this landing page designed for you for a cheaper price, and where you can sell them for these amounts that I put right here, 150 to 300. I'm gonna show you, and like I said, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get this big bonus, $72,000 worth of online courses. I'm going to show you this, and you can send me a mail. This is my email here. Send me a mail right now and tell me, Tubeless, I want this your course right now, and I'll get it down for you. So guys, let's get down to business. Let me show you. This is the website where you can get this landing page. Come to this website right now. Look at it here. This is the name that you're going to type in. The website is called Squad Help. Squad Up is what it's called. Yeah, it's squadup.com. Type in squadup.com and you land on this website where I am right now, and you're gonna click sign up. Just a normal way that you use to sign up on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Sign up on this website, and when you sign up, you're gonna start taking contests. You're gonna start taking contests, and that is how you start designing web page. And here are the people who are already. This is what I said you're going to be designing website landing page. Guys, look at this is what you're going to be designing. This is what this guy designed, and it's sold. You can see his price here, $250. Sold it for $250. And these things you don't have to design it yourself. This is actually cool, but there are some on this website that are really not really nice, man. That if I'm using my left hand, I can design them. Look at this one. See, this one is very simple, man. And this guy sold it for $250. So cheap, guys. This is so cheap. You get $250 for this simple landing page. And you have more of them right here. That's what they do. This is another one. Sold it for $250. Man, guys, you need to come on this site right now and start it. This is another landing page. This is another landing page. This guy, look at how simple this is. This sold it for $250. And so guys, that is it. Come to this website called Help, register and start taking this design right now. So let me show you where you can get this design for a cheaper price. So here is Fiverr. Come to Fiverr right now, and you come to Fiverr and you type in on Fiverr. You type in on Fiverr and you say you want website landing find workforce progress. You see you want website landing pages and website landing pages, and you're gonna see, guys, you're gonna see a whole lot of job here. Here is it, guys. Look at, guys. Although some of them that are big boys, they are really charging big. And you don't have to work with those ones. You can go and click on newest here. People who are new, who really need the job, they can design the same thing for you. Some of them are still high for 30 people and above. You can still skip them, and you can see the job that they've done right here. You can see the job they've done. You can scroll down, you see the ones that some of them are very high, really. That one is 20, 30, 50. This one is $5 right here. This one is $5. This one is $5. Can get the job landing page designer. $5, $5, $25, and you can see many $5 are still here right now. This guy is online right now. If I click on his hand right now, I send him a message. I tell him I want him to design a landing page for me for $5, and this guy is gonna get the job done before you know it. Another site where you can get the job is here. This side is called Micro Worker. You come to Micro Worker, you start your account on Micro Worker, and these guys are going to help you design your landing page. And you bring the landing page to this Squad Help website and come and start selling it like these guys have been sold right now. These guys are sold for 250, and this one is postcard. You can also do that postcard. You can also get that one. You can also get that one designed for you. So that is it guys. That is what you can do. You can do on this website. You can come to this website right now and come and start getting it. These guys are the ones that have won the contest. They've won the contest and they get the job done, and the money is paid to them right there. The money paid to them right there. So guys, that is it for this video. You come to this website, Squad Help, register on this website, register, come to Fiverr, get the job done for $5, and come and sell it here for 100 to 250 or $300 right here. So thank you guys, that's that for the video, and here is the bonus actually I'm gonna give you. Here's my account, here's my name right here, Two Bless. This is the name that I have on Facebook right now. This is the picture. If I've not changed the picture, because at the time you're watching this video, this is the video that I have on Facebook right now. Type in this name on Facebook and you'll see me right there, and you see that this is my Udemy account and this is my courses, and I have 1,000 plus courses in my Udemy account right now. Look at, let me scroll down to show you my courses. Look at 1,153 courses in my Udemy account, and this is the bonus that I'm going to be giving you if you reach out to me on my email that I show you here right now. Reach out to me on this email right now and tell me that you want the bonus, and I'm going to be giving you this bonus right now that has what I'm going to be giving you 1,000 plus Udemy course, something like this. This is my own account. I'm going to give you something like this, 1,000 plus Udemy course. You can start taking the course and become a guru at them. Okay, this is Snapchat. This is if you want a course on Snapchat, you can type in there. There's so many different courses from this stuff. Look at these courses. These are Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, traffic, marketing plan, SEO, business, freelancer, writer, graphics, and we have so much more of these courses right there. All these topics you're seeing right here, they are on this Snapchat course. There's only one course on Snapchat, but we have many other ones right here. So all these courses are in this material that I'm going to be giving you as a bonus. So guys, reach out to me on that email and tell me that you want this bonus, and you're gonna have 1,000 plus of Udemy course in your account, in your Udemy account. So guys, that is that. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget, share this video with your friends, with your loved ones. Share this video with your friends, with your loved ones. Share it on all your social media so that guys can appreciate you. I bet you anybody that watched this video, they are gonna thank you because this video is valuable, and they're gonna learn one thing or the other from this video, and they're gonna appreciate you for sharing this video with them. And please don't forget to like this video also and comment below this video. Those things are very important, and don't forget that red button below this video. Click the red button right now to subscribe to my channel so that YouTube can update you when I upload any other video also. So thank you guys, and I really appreciate you watching this video, and I say peace out, and I'll see you very soon. Thank you. Later.